How I installed these LED lights, pretty generic, into my 2008 Chevy Colorado. There's a lot of these floating around. I have the crew cab, pretty standard setup. This is the i5. I'm pretty sure they're the same light for every single model of Chevy Colorado out there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and unplug the old headlight, and the old headlight is the one on the outside. So it's going to be this one right here. This is the old headlight. This is your high beam right back there. Alright, now you got the light unplugged. Here's the plug. Here's what it looks like. Go ahead and get the LED out. Here's what the LED looks like. Pretty standard with the heatsink on the back. Now you're going to simply plug in the light to the actual headlight assembly first, and then I'll plug in the cord. Alright, now I've got the light all plugged in. You can see it sticking through. Oh, you can't because my lights are so crappy. But you can see it sticking through right there, mounted up. The biggest thing to remember is make sure you get the one that is 9006 version for the Chevy Colorado. I originally ordered the H4, which is up here, because I read the label wrong on Amazon and had to return it. They charged me $6, so lesson learned. After you've got it plugged in, you're gonna have a loose end right here. This is coming from the LED. You can simply plug your factory truck light plug into that. There you go, all plugged in. Should be good to go. Let's go ahead and give it a test. Come over here, turn your lights on. Huh. Not great. Okay, so lesson learned on that. The light for this is actually wired backwards. So, strangely enough, if you look at the plug right here, you can see there's one side that has no clip, the other side that has a little notch. When you plug this in, contrary to what you'd think, you need to put the plastic clip on the side of the plug that is not have a notch. So then we have light. All right, easy as that. Do the same thing on the other side. Test the lights. Now we got LEDs. Now I just gotta work on the brights, because brights, LEDs. Project for another day. Hope you like.